16, 18, 20, minus 23, minus 20. All of pipe now freeze. See? Hello guys, I want to make a container with refrigerator compressor. Sorry about my language, I'm not so much good talking English, but I'm trying everything you need to understand, say in this video. For this air conditioner, we need compressor. I use refrigerator compressor. We need evaporator, we need condenser, and we need two fan. One fan for make condenser cold, and another fan for evaporator. And expansion valve and filter dryer. Also copper pipe for make our system connect to each other. Before that, I have to say this compressor is 1.3 horsepower, means not so much powerful, but if somebody needs powerful than AC system, can change this compressor with powerful than one. Let's go make it. First, put out this, not be so much hot because I have to weld. Before then I start, I have to say compressor how can work. This compressor have three pipe. Two pipe is suction and one pipe is discharge. Means two pipes suck air and one pipe discharge air, means air come out from it. We have to weld one pipe, one copper pipe from here to our condenser. Means after compressor board, refrigerant R134A compress and come out, come inside our condenser. Inside condenser with this fan be cold our refrigerant, and from another pipe come out and going inside our filter dryer. After filter dryer go inside our expansion and spray refrigerant inside our evaporator. After evaporator be cold and refrigerant again come back with another pipe inside compressor. Very easy. After I make understand how can work. This pipe is discharge, means refrigerant come out from here. I have to one pipe welding here and going to our condenser like this. I have to weld these two places and see what's next. Okay guys, now we welding this pipe from compressor for discharge compressor to our condenser. Means refrigerant come out from this pipe and going to our condenser, and refrigerant inside condenser be cold, and from this pipe, this down pipe come out and going inside filter dryer. After filter dryer, going inside our expansion and spray inside our evaporator. Now we have to welding our filter dryer this way. This pipe coming out from down condenser, we have to welding this dryer inside here. Now have to open this dryer. When open dryer, we see have two sides, one bigger than and one smaller than. Bigger than side going to condenser, means have to connect to condenser, and a smaller one have to connect to our expansion. See, size for expansion. Means this way have to go, means this way have to go to our evaporator. Now I have to weld this dryer to this pipe coming out from condenser. After that, going inside our expansion like this. See, the smaller way our expansion go inside like this, and dryer go inside this pipe coming out from condenser. Okay, now I have to weld these two places, these two spots. Okay, everything good. Now refrigerant come out from here and go inside condenser, and one fan install here and make condenser cold, and refrigerant be cold and come out and going inside our dryer after expansion, and from here spray inside our evaporator and gas be cold. Now we have to install here into our evaporator. Before then welding, I'll make this see very good. Here our fan connect here, and this way our evaporator. Very good, this very good unit, and from here cold air coming out. Okay. See, evaporator have two sides. This name is accumulator. When you see this pipe like something bigger than another pipe, this means this way is return. Means from here gas have to go back inside compressor. You have to connect our expansion to this one, not this one have accumulator. This way for coming back refrigerant inside compressor. I have to now connect our expansion valve inside this way. Okay, now see, this way to be finished. Now our expansion go inside evaporator. Means refrigerant come inside evaporator and spray inside our evaporator, and evaporator be cold. And from this way have to come back inside compressor this way. Have to weld one copper pipe from here to this place for another pipe for compressor. Finish. After this, our project is finished. Okay guys, now our system is finished. Now we have one air conditioner. I have to now vacuum this system and charge refrigerant and start our air conditioner. Before that I have to put this fan here, condenser fan. Before then start I have to connect condenser fan. Fine. Okay guys, now I have to charge our system. Before done charging refrigerant, I have to vacuum our system for every moisture or every air inside system come out. Now I connect our gauge to this, to our compressor. I told you before, this place, this pipe just for charge system. And connect. This is vacuum pump. With this vacuum pump, I have to vacuum our system and every moisture coming out. Wait. Now see here, when I start vacuum pump, this low pressure come down. If in camera you can see. See, now I'm turn on vacuum system. I have to wait near 20 minutes for our system be vacuum. And after charge refrigerant. Okay, now our system vacuum. Have to turn off and close gauge and turn off. Now I have to charge our system. I'm use a scale for see how much I'm charged, and 134A refrigerant, this one. I'm turn on a scale and put cylinder on the scale, connect our gauge to cylinder and open it. Now I have to charge system and open this gauge Gas go inside. Now gas go inside system. 10 gram, 22 gram. I'm put someplace like this. 16, 25, 28. Here on the scale, I'm see how much go inside system. Here, right, this way. Now I think not inside camera. Okay, 48 gram go inside system. Now I have to turn on our compressor and start our air conditioner. Now I'm start. See, when I start, this gauge come down because compressor work and suction our gas and go inside system. Now I have to wait and little charge system until our evaporator be cold. But I have to change this box with another thing, like some cooler box or something like this, because this after be cold and water come out and make this box wet. Okay, now our system is near 4 psi. I think now it's full charge. I have to close this cylinder and disconnect our pipe from here, see, like this. Finish. All of pipe now freeze, see, and evaporator too. Wait, test, see how much degree. Now 16, 18. 20, minus 23, minus 20. Wait, condenser to how much? Condenser 28. 28, 29. Compressor 42. Good. Not so much hot, good. Just evaporator good. Evaporator all of no ice. See this pipe, all of this pipe, ice. So much cold, so much cold, so much cold. That's perfect air conditioner. Cheap and perfect air conditioner with $20, 25 maybe. Wow, really good, really cold air. $20 air conditioner work fine, and this frozen pipe, best air conditioner, best $20 air conditioner. And this is our cheap air conditioner, and I love it because myself made it. Okay guys, now this project is finished and everything work fine. Our air conditioner very good and cold, and our compressor too very good work, not so much hot, and condenser too not so much hot, and evaporator until now I'm turn off air conditioner to see all of ice. This place all of ice, and now 5 minutes I'm turn off air conditioner. Yes, I have to change this box because after air conditioner work, now you see water all of come down, and when melting this box after be wet. I have to change this box with one cooler box or something like that, for after don't have any problem with that. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.